Hey guys, let's have a look at what I did in Figma. I just created a realistic prototype for testing internet speed. So let's go. I also created a prototype using the same method for checking CIBIL score and for trading application. But I would like to share you two things with you. First is when I wanted to rotate this rectangle from bottom. I thought it's easy in latest version of Figma by moving anchor point position for rotation. But see what happens, animation is not correct. So what I did is to solve this issue is after converting it into component's Y position upwards, let's say half of its height. And now see the result. The second thing is animating numbers. Most of the designers use numbers and move them by masking, but the animation don't look realistic. So I used variables. If you want me to create a detailed tutorial on this, let mention it in comment box. Also don't forget to like and share.